Janie Barker, and I am 11 years old. I attend Thurmont Middle School as a 6th grader. My work is very important to me, and I have worked very hard to get straight A's for the first 2 semesters in middle school. When I was in 4th grade, I joined the band. My dad and his sister played the trumpet, so I chose to play the trumpet too. I am currently in the middle school band. I enjoy sports, and I know my G-Dad would be very proud of me and would have loved watching me play. I currently play 3 sports: basketball, softball, and volleyball. This past basketball season, I played on a traveling team. We had an undefeated season. Even though I didn't get to play most of the time, I still had a great time being on the team. This past season of basketball, during the playoffs, I worked the concession stand. I know that some kids hate doing these kind of things, but me, I love volunteering my time this way. I have been playing volleyball for 2 years. My coach always has a smile on her face and is the nicest person you will ever meet. Last fall, we had an undefeated season. I think that volleyball is really fun, and I have a great time being on the team. I have been playing softball for 6 years. I currently play for the 11U Frederick Heartbreakers traveling team. When I played rec softball, we had games about once a week. Now that I'm playing traveling softball, we have games almost every weekend during the spring and summer. Most of the time, we have about 3 games per day for 2 days. Sometimes I don't really want to get out of bed at 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning to go play softball, but I know that I have to because I made a commitment. I attend church at Thurmont United Methodist. At church, I enjoy going to a youth group for students in grades 6 through 12. On Wednesday nights, the youth group gets together at our church to sing worship music, have a sermon, Bible lesson, or discussion, play fun games, and eat snacks. A couple weeks ago, our youth group put together kits for homeless people. In the past, I was a member of the kids choir